We all know Duke University is a world-renowned institution with an excellent engineering program. As an electrical and computer engineer at Duke University, I've spent countless hours in labs studying electrical components and analyzing these findings to comprehend what is really going on. I've also built many circuits and robots to apply my findings and solve problems. But what would an engineering program at a high school look like? Riverside High School in Durham, North Carolina has a wonderful program created by Project Lead the Way that allows students to get experience with engineering before college. It is a program filled with aha moments, collaboration, and admiration. Ren is a sophomore who describes the program as
the engineering program is basically a way to think. It teaches you about time management, about working in teams, how to solve problems creatively. So I think it's much more than just classes. It's an excellent way to go through the school. You get lots of opportunities that you would not have otherwise.
Engineering students take 3 introductory courses before specializing their focus. Intro to Engineering Design introduces students to the design process, research and analysis, teamwork, communication methods, global and human impacts, engineering standards, and technical documentation. Principles of Engineering will expose students to major concepts that they will encounter in post-secondary engineering courses of study, like physics and math. Digital Electronics exposes students to the design process of combinational and sequential logic design in order to process and control digital signals. After these 3 classes, students are free to choose whatever electives they find interesting. Some specialty courses include aerospace engineering, civil engineering and architecture, computer integrated manufacturing, and computer science principles. Thanks to generous donations, Riverside High School is able to afford machinery for their Fab Lab, where students use and even become certified with these machines. Fab Lab has tools like saws, clamps, drill presses, 3D printers, laser cutters, and even table saws. In addition to the wondrous Fab Lab, the program has committed teachers that go above and beyond in order to teach their students. Mr. Davidson was selected STEM Teacher of the Year in 2018. Mr. Tokenitz is always ready to help. Mr. Strand, who is very approachable. Mr. Bolin, who is an alumni of the engineering program. Mr. Stallings, who is very kind. However, the program wouldn't be complete without Tim Villagal, the engineering program director, who describes the student experience as
whether it's learning to use sophisticated modern equipment like laser cutters, CNC mills, and 3D printers, volunteering for community service activities, becoming acquainted with industry standard software applications, participating in national contests, or visiting nearby industry partners. The student experience transcends traditional public high school norms.
In order to further help students find out what they are interested in, the engineering program invites guest speakers to come speak to the students about their jobs. Some of these guest speakers happen to be alumni of the engineering program and are in turn to speak about how the program helped them in their career. Other guest speakers are university professors who come to give students an idea of what college will be like. After seeing all the amazing things this program does for their students by providing industry standard equipment, spectacular teachers, guest speakers, and specialty classes, I could not help but wonder what students think of the program. Jordan is a senior in the program who told me this.
So when I came and when I got into the program, I really took a bunch of these classes and I was like, wow, this is like really exposing me to some of the environments that I would be pre-exposed to in the real world. And it really kind of helped me to realize what I wanted to do after high school and after college. So
Patrick is a junior.
It's almost like a completely different school because the teachers are all like in depth to me, and you really get to focus on engineering aspect of it. So if that's what you want to do later in life, it's a really good starting point.
Luca is just starting.
It's fun, it's a great learning experience, and I think it's great for my future and getting jobs and money and just generally having fun.
The program can be tough to balance at first, but students will make friendships in the program that help them succeed. Overall, the engineering program at Riverside High School is unlike anything else in a typical high school. Not only does it prepare students for college and beyond, but provides them with a family that continuously supports them wherever they go in life.